Hi, I'm Sapna.
And I'm Karan.
And we're Bungalow, a husband-wife design team.
And welcome to our project here in Eagle Rock.
This is our Eagle Rock Craftsman with a ton of European influences that made it feel like our own.
So the way that we love to design any project that we have is we start with the flow, which I'm in charge of, and coming out of the flow is what you see, all the beautiful design, which obviously Sapna is the brains and the beauty behind.
And speaking of design elements, let's start with the living room. I'm excited to show you around. This is what we're calling our great room. It's living and dining combined, and the footprint of the space just really leaned into being a grand entertaining space. We have a built-in wet bar, as well as these amazing coffered ceilings that really speak to the original soul of the home as a craftsman. We also included this huge built-in that is both beautiful, brings the space together, as well as super functional for storage purposes as well. Overall, the vibe of this room is meant to be warm and cozy, welcoming for your guests, and just truly a place to gather and feel at one with the people that you love most. Welcome to the kitchen, which is, of course, the heart of the home and one of the spaces that we always enjoy designing most. So as you'll see in this kitchen, there are a ton of European influences. We have these beautiful French gray cabinets. We have the mixed metals that you'll see throughout the home with the raw copper and the unlacquered brass. And then this amazing copper hood was a feat and a project, and we're so happy with the way that it turned out. One of my favorite color stories in this house is the peekaboo burgundy and blush moment coming into the scullery. And I really wanted a beautiful complementary contrast to the cooler tones that are happening in the kitchen.
At the top of the stairs, you're welcomed with a lobby lounge moment, and that brings you into this beautiful, versatile space. And my favorite part about this space is it's whatever you want it to be. It can be a bedroom, it can be a film room, it can be an office, but the moodiness is what I love the most. And no space is complete without fresh air and natural light. And we brought that in with this Juliet balcony. And we continue that natural light all the way down to the bedrooms. So let's go check out the primary.
I know Karan mentioned that the upstairs was his favorite room, but this room is special. The primary has so much beautiful natural light coming in with views directly of your backyard and your pool. It really feels like such a cozy escape. So people say that accent walls are out, but I say if you do it properly, it can still be a really beautiful statement. What we did here is we brought the limestone from the exterior, and it really does transport you to a different world, tying back into that European escape. One of my favorite design moments of this bedroom is this cutie little settee that's placed right below this window. And if you'll notice, this window is set up slightly higher than the one next to it, and these little details in design can drive me nuts. But the way that we've placed this settee really intentionally underneath it just makes it feel very bespoke.
And coming off of the primary, you get invited with these beautiful views of your backyard, your pool, and your gorgeous barbecue area that's being canopied by this original oak tree.
And the thing that we really love about this space is the open airiness of the backyard really complements all of the dark and moody vibes that we've incorporated on the inside. Thank you guys so much for coming by. We really enjoyed walking you through our Eagle Rock Craftsman.
And we hope to see you at the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.